Salam and welcome back to another very exciting video. Today I'm going to show you what I made for my 500 subscriber giveaway winner. Um, I've delayed this video enough. I think I've made two videos about this if you want to check that out. And if you have watched them, you would know that the winner asked me to design a logo for him. The logo is for a retail business office, and if you stick around till the end of this video, you'll see the logo and the logo animation I made for him. I made the logo and the logo animation using Adobe Illustrator and After Effects. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I make tutorials on Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, After Effects, Premiere Pro, InDesign, basically almost all the Adobe products. So yeah, you can learn a lot from this channel. Go ahead and subscribe. With that said, let's get started. So I started off with this image that he gave me. He asked me to make something similar or just trace the exact same image. I asked him if this was his previous logo, and he said it's just a picture from Google. So I had to make sure if it was used by another company to avoid a copyright issue. By the way, if I haven't said this already, using Google Pictures as logos is a bad idea, legal wise and brand identity wise as well. Anyway, so I looked it up and it turned out to be the logo of a golf club based in Scotland. So obviously I couldn't trace the exact same logo, so I used the essence of that logo and with a similar typeface with a bit of luxurious fashion style. I experimented with different types of typefaces and settled with a nice serif font. Same with the ampersand, but I wanted it to be a script font like a calligraphic style. And then the fashion text with sans serif font. I know there's more than two fonts is against the normal practice, but it just kind of looks good, don't you think? At this point, I really started liking this logo, but just like all the logo projects, you shouldn't propose just one concept. So I started working on other concepts as well. I use color.adobe.com. So if you don't know this website, just try it out. It's a great website to find good colors and yeah, make your own color palettes. So after making two good concepts, I thought, why not try to make the black and white versions of them? So I copied them, and while trying to make the black and white versions, I thought, why not try and put this ampersand in front of R and behind the A? Wouldn't it look good? So I tried that, and yeah, it turned out really good. So I decided to send him this first logo that I made, and he absolutely loved that logo. I didn't even have to send the second logo, but I sent it to him anyways, just so that we are clear about that. So after getting approval from him, it was time to refine the logo as much as possible and make the final monochrome version of it and get it ready for animation. I also use a website named Coolers. I will leave the link to that as well in the description. Basically, it makes it so easy to choose a color. Basically, what you have to do is just keep pressing the space key, and it will keep showing you different colors. So you can choose a color, and it will give a huge range of shades of that color. So yeah, it's really handy. All right, time for logo animation. After inserting the Illustrator file into a new project, I began to plan in my mind how the letters are going to animate. I'm not going to go into much details here, but the most difficult thing that I faced was figuring out how these shadows are going to act when the letters appear. And finally, I thought it would be a great idea to give some life to this ampersand because that's going to appear first, and that is the letter that is going to hold the rest of the logo. So yeah, I thought it would look good. And to finish it off, I gave it some sound effects and just to make it a little bit dramatic and yeah, more impactful, I guess. Okay, so let's go ahead and watch the final logo reveal animation. Alright, that pretty much sums up everything. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give a thumbs up and comment down below something, anything would do, so that Mr. YouTube algorithm picks my video up and shows it to more people. Um, yeah, I hope you all are staying healthy and safe, and I hope I'll catch you guys in the next video. So until then, salam.